Hello there. Our project is about the emulation of human-like behavior in chess. So basically we made a chess engine that plays like a human being. How we did this is we analyzed the structure of the chess engine and what sort of parameters affect its behavior in this thing called the search algorithm. And by modifying these parameters, we can change how the engine plays, moves and behaves, in a sense. We also gathered human games to sort of test the chess engine's ability in playing like a human. And in the end we found that the search depth of the chess engine is related to how it can emulate humans of different skill levels. We also found certain correlations between the value of chess pieces and how human the chess engine plays.
To determine the human likeness of the chess engine, we gathered a large sample of human-played games from the LICHES database. We gathered 700,000 games in total, and then we cut them and filtered through so that we could find specific ELO range games. We cut them so that they would be random lengths, say 1 through 7, 1 through 9 moves, and after that we fed those to the chess engines, asking them which would be the most optimal move to make in this situation. The chess move said that this move would be the best move, and then we compared that to the move that had been made by the human. That gave us data to determine, to actually give a value to the human likeness of the chess engine.